In the category of business intelligence, this is a tool from a company called SiMX. The tool is called TextConverter. It's an ETL tool that will extract data from any computer-generated file. We're going to use a PDF today. Let's open that file up, and you can see a computer-generated file. While it's freeform, it's not delimited or designed to be extracted from. It's organized visually on the screen. And we're going to use an automatic extraction that was demonstrated in step 1. And there goes the automatic extraction. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reorder some of the fields. See that input dictionary? And that's connected field by field automatically to the output dictionary. But when the data came in, let's adjust my workspace a little bit here. And we can hide that options pane. We get a little bit more of an output preview there across the bottom. There's my input preview. When this data came in, the address blocks didn't come in next to each other. Now, extracting to a database, that wouldn't make any difference as long as the fields are named correctly. The data would go through fine. But if I was going to do some more advanced transformation on this data, or if I was extracting to an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, if I just want it to be visually nicer on the screen, I want to get those fields in the right order so I can see them together. See, there's a city-state. You can see when I click on the field, it lights up in both the input preview, the output preview, and both dictionaries. I can drag that field right to where it needs to go. See, this is a zip code. It needs to go next to the city-state that it belongs with. And we're just going to move these around until they're all next to each other in the right place so that it goes street address, city-state, zip code. There's a couple more to move. Very easy to move these fields around. You can see I just click on it, I drag it, and I drop it. Okay, let's scroll down and grab another one. Click on the field, drag the field to wherever you want it to go, and let it go. That's all there is to it. Just move the output dictionary around visually when you've got everything where you want. Let's see, I think there are a few more up here at the top that need to come down. The trustee, let's bring that down. Goes right there, and then there's an address field that goes with that. Let's bring that in also. I think we've just about got it. Look this over. Now let's look through the preview. See how it looks. Let's scroll to the side here. You can click on a field, and you notice again it's highlighted the input, both dictionaries, and the output when I click on something. Control F will bring up a find dialog if I need to find a particular piece of data for reference. I think we're just about ready to hook up our output data source. Now we can hook up any kind of output data source. It can be an ODBC database, an OLE DB connection, OLE database connection, or it can be a flat file, Excel or CSV or a DBF. Once you've got your file set for extraction, you just hit that running man icon, it'll run the process. If you're creating to a database and the fields don't exist and you have the privileges, it will create the fields for you, or it'll load the fields if they're already there.